how to convert USDT to TRX on your Binance. Open your Binance and press on your trade area, and once you press on trade area and press on convert, and under convert you can see the USDT, and you have to select here TRX. This is the TRX. If you don't see, then press on search TRX. Now enter your amount. For example, I want to convert 10 USDT to TRX. Then enter your amount and set preview and press on confirm. Now your convert is successful. Now if you go back to your home page, press on balance, then scroll down, then you can see your total amount of TRX. If you want to convert as USDT again, then you can transfer it as USDT by using this button, or you can convert to TRX to USDT again. So that's it. Thank you. Have a good day.